here's a new one. I'm not even sure it's going to work, but I've got the camera sideways as we have slipped the line. And here we go. That's the neatest sound in the world, the horn of a ship as we're pulling away. Saying goodbye to the port of Estonia, Tallinn, Estonia. As we get further and further away. Looks like the people on the Costa are still coming on board. It was a wonderful, beautiful day yet again. And tomorrow we're in St. Petersburg, so that should be interesting. Try and go out there a little bit so you can see we're away from the port and heading out.